what it took to making you like a blossom of a tree or the color of a jewel.
Good morning, happy Sunday to you. I honestly wish it was a Sunday for me, but unfortunately it's a Monday and I'm working. But other than that, happy Sunday to you. Welcome to another vlog. We're gonna try to do a 2-day vlog today and tomorrow, which is an office day. But if it goes well, we might extend it to make it a week vlog, but we will see. But what you can expect from this vlog is I'll be taking you through what I've been up to. I've not been really recording the past few weeks. I was mostly just making other content, but other than that, I'm gonna take you through what I've been up to and what I'm currently working on, how I plan on executing it, the kind of features I'm working on, a little more depth into the core technical context of my work. Yeah, that's mostly gonna be it. I just finished stand-up right now. It is 11 a.m. Haven't had anything because I'm trying to eat after 10, after 11. I don't know what that fasting they call, but my doctor recommended that, so I'm gonna try that out, and it's really not that hard. I stopped eating around 8 the day before, so I eat around 6, 7. So unnecessary. I need to grow up, man. But let's go make some coffee. And if you will see, I don't have my phone. I'm also trying to stop the doom scrolling, so I have enough of that later in the day or in the morning, so I don't have my phone with me here. I'll probably go check it out when it's lunchtime, but yeah, keep it in the bedroom and we focus on the work, and that has been working fine. So focus days. We're gonna talk more about this later on, but and let's go make some coffee. 6, 7.
My life wasn't perfect, yeah, I know that now. When it came crashing down, all I know is that I need you around. When it comes crashing down, all I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, you can give me everything I want. Everything I want. Always dance and sing. You're captivating me.
The winter weather is acting all weird. In the morning it was sunny. Now it's a bit cloudy. Not quite sure what's happening there, but I'm not complaining as long as I'm not sweating and there are no bugs bothering me. I'm fine. Someone's gonna say, oh, you're one of those winter people. Yes, I am, because why are we sweating and why are we burning? But other than that, what was I working on the past week? Well, not the past week, the past sprint. So I'm not quite sure if you watched one of the videos where I was at a coffee shop. I think I was at Starbucks or something, but I was on my one-on-one. So I got done with whatever I was working on, and then our team leads and our tech leads actually are hands-on people, so you don't just get to jump on meetings wire and you don't do anything. So they are piloting this AI using Claude to actually do some of the things that are kind of repetitive. If I give you more context, is the system we're working with is integrated with a lot of other systems, and there's quite a number of things going on, such as approvals, someone making a request, someone getting to approve it. So some of that is kind of consistent within most of our base classes that we use within the system. Maybe for an example, I would say something maybe like a user, could be different type of users, but maybe you want to onboard a user onto a specific part of the system, and then you'll make a request to someone who's higher than you, and then that goes on and on and on and on. So since that is quite repetitive, I was supposed to they did something with the AI Claude to kind of generate that, and I was supposed to double check it, make sure everything is fine, kind of review the code that the AI wrote, right? So it was supposed to be just an in and out thing, but it turns out it's quite a lot was going on. I think one of the biggest things that I have to say is, if you think reviewing someone's code is bad, or if you think it's reviewing someone's code is tough, or working with someone else's code, try reviewing AI code. Good gracious Lord. Yeah. Let me not get into that, but it was frustrating to say the least. I think one of the things, like, you'll pick up that it will make a subtle mistakes within like the base of whatever implementation is doing, and then it's gonna be consistent with that mistake throughout. And for you to find out, you'll have to now, okay, this looks okay here, but the mistake is deep down there. So that took a lot of time and a lot of reviewing, removing stuff, adding stuff, moving to the right places, and testing, adding proof of completion throughout. And it was more like 24 endpoints, so it was quite a lot of work. And it got to the point where it was kind of boring, to be honest. And I was like, yeah, I need to be out of here. So we got done with that last week. I was working with another dev and someone who had more context, so he also like pointed out a lot of the things, like, okay, this needs to be here, this needs to be here, which, yeah, kind of made it even more boring, because basically you're just listening, following this, following that, pick up some issues. When you think you're done, you also pick up some issues and whatnot. So that's what I was working on. And right now, what am I working on? I think for that one, you will have to wait for tomorrow and see what exactly I'm working on tomorrow. There's no rush. Now you know what I was working on the previous week. And yeah, mostly testing, fixing. I wrote a lot of code during that time because I had to move a lot of stuff, and yeah, some things were just missing, and I just had to, yeah, there's a lot of commits and a lot of code that was kind of repetitive, but I'm glad we're over with that. Yeah, back to work. I'll tell you tomorrow what I'm currently working on. Something new, but kind of relates to what I was working with before. Cool.
Girl, you got me down so bad. I can't say enough. She pull up with that new thing. Please don't fall in love, cause I think of you all day. Yeah, I was running through my brain, can't be nothing. Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush on you. I'm not the type to keep it in, read it out till you're mine. Let me tell you now, I got a crush on you.
I was a bit busy over the weekend, so I didn't get time to cut off my hair, so I'm looking a little bush. So let's go cut the hair. Yep.
When I was looking outside, girl, you got me lost in your eyes. I got you when you're falling. Just know that I won't be here for long. Thinking of you all day, yeah, running.
That's all done from push to push. Let's go home.
Am I all or nothing? Cause I just
It is 5 p.m. Not sure if you can see that. I'm gonna push some work for about 20 to 30 minutes. There was some just errors I was just clearing up before I left. Gonna do that, head over to the gym. You know, it's Monday, Tuesday. Not gonna record today's session. I guess I will see you later on when I come back, and probably in the morning, but we'll see. We'll see later on. Cool. Let's go hit gym.
Oh, you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush on you.
We are back from the gym, and here's our dinner meal. You saw I was preparing some chicken earlier on, so this is what we're having. You also I should have more home cooked meals. Doesn't matter where the food was cooked, but yeah, this is what I prepared. Of course, we're protein mixing and a bit of carbs, bit of rice. We're clean bulking here. Want to gain some muscles, but not too quickly, or not. It's never quick to even begin with. What am I even saying? Like, we don't want to gain a lot of weight with a lot of fats just because we want to gain weight. So, want to gain lean mass. Yeah, it could be a bit of fat in there, but that's what we're having. Yeah, I don't really order that much. I do, but it's not really crazy that it's out of hand. I do have home cooked meals. It's just that I'm not a fan of cooking. I don't like cooking. I cook on weekends if I have. I like having myself a steak, and I like making chicken because it's much easier. I can just do it like that, spices on, and I continue working, and I can just take it out sometime later. But yay, this is our food. Let me go eat. Stop justifying my food.
Are you the same? Yeah. an old school man. I only wanna fall in love once with an old school girl. Old school girl, old school girl. When I know, I'll know. Hand in hand like left, right, oh. Bonnie and Clyde.
So, we're finally in the office. Just attended my stand-up right now, and it sounds like 17 past 9. I was actually not quite late, 2 minutes late, so kind of made it. I left around 8:30, but the good thing is about this office is there's no traffic when I'm coming this way, so that's all good. Today, we're rocking our team match, and shout out to my man. He's the one who actually got the t-shirts. Perfect fit. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can see what's said, but it's really a good fit. Like it. Yeah. Gonna get started with my work from yesterday. Gonna explain what I did yesterday and what the items I'm working on. But for now, I think we're gonna go get some coffee and then.
I'm already recorded.
No need to say.
Too late.
I follow to the edge of it all.
Grabbing fuel.
To the edge of it all. So tell your good night.
Time for our office walk. As I did say, it's a Tuesday. I'm in the office, and yeah, we here to talk about what am I working on. So I picked up a new ticket yesterday. It's mostly about auditing. So I think I've mentioned this before. We have an auditing external system that most of the events that we do, we need to log, so that if you want for tracing things to find out, okay, what might have happened, we have the entire logs. If maybe something goes wrong, you can see who viewed what at what time and whatnot. So we have like an external system that we integrate via Amazon SQS. So that's what I'm currently working on. I picked up the ticket yesterday, but before that I started with a ticket, adding in a column in the DP just for also referencing, so that you can be able to, like, when you log something, this is the parent of that specific item, right? So I started adding that column, and then I got done with that. That's fairly quick. So now I'm actually going through certain domain. When I say domain, I mean it belongs to a certain product or a certain class, if I should put it that way. So I'm currently going through those specific endpoints. For example, I would say, maybe if I say domain, let's say user, and then I'm going through all the user endpoints to just make sure that everything that is happening on those endpoints, they log through to our external auditing system. So yeah, that's what I am currently working on. Started yesterday. How far am I? Not too far, but starting logging all the constants, all the things that will keep track of specific endpoint. Obviously, if it's a get endpoint, you'll need to be able to identify it as a get endpoint, and it links to this and that. So yeah, I'm done with that. Now I'm just straight to the implementation of taking all the data that happens within that endpoint and logging it and sending it through to the queue. So how do I test that? You You will run the queue, run everything, act like it's on that environment, and then you check through the queue. Is the actual, when I trigger this endpoint, that does this go through to the queue? If it goes to the queue, and then it means even on the other environment it will work. It's not foolproof testing, but if it's going to the queue, that's good enough. And when it gets to the dev environment or the UAT or SIT, you can just go there and double check and confirm that. So yeah, that's what I'm working on. I think that might have been a bit technical, but I hope you appreciate the technicality of things as well. So yeah, that's my work done. Going back to the office, continuing. We have team dinner today, so I'm not really gonna eat. I'm just gonna have snacks. I've been having too much coffee, which has too much sugar. So yeah.
I can see in your eyes that you've been lying by the hour. I'm always wrong and you're right. I know that's your superpower. I know you're sneaking out at midnight. It's hard for me to realize. Got me feeling jealous while you careless when you're with your new love.
Around 4:20, and it is time for our team dinner. We do this once a month, so since we're in Centurion, we're gonna go to one of the spots in Centurion office. Let's go.
You'll be okay.
Oh, you must have like a
That's
all I'm seeing.
No,
You're gonna laugh at me.
bitches. What are futures?
In there.
Have you already the planter?
This time.
Yeah, boys, there's only one.
Let me go for one day.
Okay.
Let
The
me
very
lose
pleasant, my
myself
guy.
again.
I want the Epstein
Give
cube.
me something for
You
the
want the
pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew of this waiting.
Vlogging. This is my team. Yo, there's everyone. This is my team. That's unrelated. This is my mom.
Your mom.
There's my queens.
Help me see.